That one was quick.
True to his word.
There may be others. I doubt it. The Junkers prefer to let their slaves do their fighting for them.
Or not. Oh. Shit. Come on, man. Oh, yes. Oh, man, they are a good trio. They can fight. Oh, that scream. Oh, yeah.
That's what you call a few guards.
Oh my god. Which one will be marrying Rob's uncle? Is she pretty? Oh wow, she is pretty. Look at what you missed out on. Well, at least he's got a good deal in it. Like, he's got a lass that is pretty compared to the others.
Until the end of my days.
It was just as you said. They did not believe until it was too late. Their slave soldiers threw down their spears and surrendered.
And Dario Naharis?
Oh, he didn't die, did he? He did not. He is very much alive.
The city is yours, my queen.
Damn. That is impressive.
Careful now, ladies. Once you set that monster free, there's no caging him again.
Poor girl.
Are you soft in the head? Turn this car around.
Well, Arya's gone. Does that mean she's gonna reunite with Mother?
Your Grace. I feel I've been remiss in my duties. I've given you meat and wine and music, but I haven't shown you the hospitality you deserve. My king has married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
Oh, shh. Whoa, no, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god.
head home to Winterfell, eh?
Peace over yet, is it?
Aye. It's over.
Oh my god, I don't. No! What the fuck?
It's too late.
What the fuck? What on earth has just happened? Oh my god. Now you feel bad, don't you?
The king in the north arises.
Or not. She's a twisted old fucking cunt. Oh, I shouldn't have said that word.
Lord Walter! Lord Walter, enough! Let it end! Please. He is my son. My first son. Let him go, and I swear that we will forget this. I swear it by the all gods and you. We will take no vengeance.
You already swore me one oath right here in my castle. You swore by all the gods your son would marry my daughter!
Take me for a hostage. But let Rob go. Rob, get up. Get up and walk out. Please. Please.
And why would I let him do that?
On my honor as a Tulloch. On my honor as a Stark. Let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
I'll find another.
Mother. The Lannisters send their regards.
No, Rob! What the fuck? Oh my fucking god. What the fuck? Shit.